we can now begin implementing the remaining logics. We'll start with the category logic, as it will be quite simple. What I'll do is go to the user's create.dto and service files, and then copy their contents and paste it in the categories' respective files, and after that adjust where necessary. So I will begin going to the create user DTO file, and here I will copy just this field, as it will be the only necessary field for creating a category, and then paste it here in the create category DTO. And we can maintain the same validation for it. Now I will go to the user service, select everything here using Ctrl A, then copy this and paste it in the category service. And now we'll make some adjustments. First, I will hit Ctrl F, which is the find hotkey, and I will click this arrow to also replace. So wherever I can find user, I will replace with category. And I select this option, preserve case. But as the category plural is not just by putting an S here, it is like this, I will first replace users for categories, so it remains consistent. And click here, replace all. And now after that, I will then replace user with category. And now this entire file should be correctly replaced. And when finding one category, I will also fetch its products. Lastly, we need to, before removing a category, make sure that there are no associated products with it. Otherwise, these products could become orphans, as they would have no category associated with them, and this would be undesirable. Unfortunately, TypeORM currently does not enforce this type of constraint in a many-to-many relation. So, to avoid further complexity, instead of trying to enforce this in the database itself, we'll do it in the application code. I will then go to the remove method, and here I will write if the category that I fetched here using this find_one method, which already brings a category with its products, if this category products length, remember that products is an array, if this length is greater than 0, or I can use it just like this, it will have the same effect. Choose whichever you prefer. So if this length is greater than 0, which means that the category still has associated products, then I will throw a new conflict exception, saying, for example, category has related products. Now, before finishing this lesson, I will just map the categories routes to Insomnia. So going back to Insomnia, here I will, near the users folder, I will click this arrow and then click on duplicate. And here I'll write categories. And due to the way we have set up this is nearly done. We just need to click here in this arrow near categories and go to environment and replace users with categories. And replace the body of the create request. So for example, I set the name toys. And I also copy this here to the update request. And I also run the application. And now I will create a category just to see it working. And there we have it. So now I'll just commit the changes. Implementing category logic and prohibiting exclusions that cause orphans. So with this, we can now proceed.